Are you worried about hackers stealing your Gmail account? Protect your emails, personal data, and privacy by enabling two-step verification. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Gmail's two-step verification in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, log into your Google account. Open your web browser and visit myaccounts.google.com. Enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're logged in, click on Security from the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage your account protection settings. Scroll down to the Signing In to Google section. Click on Two-Step Verification and then press Get Started. Google may ask you to re-enter your password for security purposes. Now, you'll need to choose a method for receiving your verification codes. You can use a text message, phone call, or a Google Authenticator app for added security. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions. Google will send you a verification code. Enter the code and click Next. Finally, click Turn On to activate two-step verification. That's it. Your Gmail is now much more secure. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled two-step verification on your Gmail account. This extra layer of security keeps your emails and data safe from hackers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Till then, take care.